I'm Dr. Nichole Barry. I'm a Forrest Fellow and I work at Curtin University. I study the epoch of reionization, which is a time period in the early universe when the first stars and galaxies started to form. My research is currently going through a renaissance because we are upgrading our instrument to be one of the largest radio interferometers in the world. So we're learning so many new things about what it takes to be the best. The Square Kilometer Array is being built about 5 hours outside of Geraldton into the outback. And that's because we require some of the quietest skies on Earth. So Western Australia really is a powerful place to put something like this, and it's an invaluable resource to astronomy. This is what the Murchison Wide Field Array sees when it looks up into the sky. This is the sensitivity of the beam itself. Some of my current research is to measure what's happening down here. As our galactic plane is setting, it actually creates a weird little response. And so trying to understand how that reflects, how that interacts with the entirety of the beam is something I'm pursuing at the moment. The inspiration that led to my current research is really to probe some of the most difficult problems in the universe. I'm drawn to really complex, hard problems, and this is one of the hardest problems that we have in astronomy. Astronomy research generally tries to answer questions that we don't have the infrastructure yet to pursue. So there are lots of developments from astronomy that affect the software and development and computing infrastructure, especially in WA. Western Australia is home to a growing community of astronomers, specifically because of the buildup of the Square Kilometer Array. And so the Forrest Research Foundation allowed me to relocate as an American astronomer to Australia, enabling me to pursue really high-risk, high-reward research that can be really difficult to get through a regular funding body. Astronomy has the power to inspire people to think big when otherwise our day-to-day lives don't really allow us to. This can help people really have a perspective on their day-to-day problems, and I find it really rewarding to do outreach, do astronomy outreach, and see that inspiration that comes across people's faces when they start to think about the biggest questions in the universe. I was always really fascinated by astronomy. As a child, everyone wants to be an astronaut, right, at some point. I find it quite the privilege that I get to look up into the sky and ask deep, meaningful questions. I don't think the young me would have known that this type of career was possible. In my mind, I'm some sort of astronaut just based here on the ground.